my name is Arjun and welcome back to another episode of our Christmas series 2023. It's Christmas time and I hope you're enjoying this holiday season with your family. So here I bring the classic and rustic recipe Apple Cranberry Crumble. It requires simple ingredients that can be found in your kitchen. It's a super simple and super tasty recipe. Do give it a try. So before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. Let's go! We'll start by making the crumble, for which we'll take a large bowl and we'll add in flour. And I'll add in castor sugar and rolled oats. I'm adding rolled oats because it makes it crunchier, and I'll give it a mix. And we'll add in butter. And we'll crumble it using our hands. We want to achieve a sandy breadcrumb-like texture. Now let's prepare our apples. I'm taking green apples because they're crunchier and more flavorful. First, let's peel them. Next up, we're gonna chop our apples into small pieces. Now I transfer the apples into our baking dish. I am taking a large glass bowl. Now into the apple goes lemon zest. And next goes in lemon juice. Mix it using a spatula. Now we'll add in the star ingredient, cranberries. And brown sugar. And we'll toss it. Now we'll top it up with crumble that we prepared earlier. Now we'll pop it in the oven at 170 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. Hear that? It's done. Ta-da! Let's give it a try. It is nice, warm and buttery and will be the star of all your Christmas dinners. Apple crumble itself is super delicious and the cranberries make it even better. Do give it a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you!